My name is Sergeant Highfield. I am an E5 as a CBRN Specialist in the U.S. Army. I specialize in the M1135 NBCRV. The NBCRV allows us to do is a rapid response for reconnaissance. We have the benefit of speed and armor, so if we do end up taking some kind of fire, we can actually get the job done and get back out in a rapid amount of time. We'll be going over the driver's hatch, the remote weapon system, and the JSL SCAD, which is a chemical vapor detector. And then we'll move around to the back and look at the sample tubes, our chem bio mass spectrometer, and our dual wheel sample system. So right here, this is our driver's hatch. This is where our driver will conduct all of his operations. He has three main modes of being able to continue movement while we are driving. First of which is leaving the hatch open. And then from the top here, we have periscopes that offer about 180 degrees of vision, a little bit less. And then as an alternative, especially during nighttime operations, this camera right here goes to our DVE, which is our digital video enhancer, and allows the driver to have thermal imaging for nighttime operations. So what we have here is our remote weapon system. Mounted to it would be a 50 caliber machine gun. Along the sides here, each one of these tubes contains a smoke grenade to give us extra cover. So in the event that we get stuck or have a mechanical issue, we have all of our recovery tools here. And moving to the back, this is where all of our sampling procedures will take place for physical samples. For actually taking the physical sample, once they open the glove port, we'll open up the side right here. So we'll take the temperature of the ground by stabbing it into the ground, waiting about 3 to 5 seconds, and then replacing it. In addition to that, we have a set of tongs. This will help us take samples if we can't physically reach the ground, or if we have to take a water sample, we can drop our sample vial onto the ground and then scoop with it or dig with it or break up soil in order to make it easier for us to collect the sample. We'll place the sample inside the applicable tube and then we'll send it back up. So once we've discovered where the agent is, we'll create a chemical marker and we'll start mapping out the area to mark off the area of contamination, so that people that are coming across that area don't enter it and potentially harm themselves. So this wraps up the basics of the NBCRV. Find out more about CBRN at GoArmy.com.